Hi, Agent Bosco here, broker with Sotheby's International Realty Canada. Only a few residential buildings sit right on Lake Ontario, such as the iconic and award-winning boutique condo known as Harbour Terrace. Welcome to 401 Queens Quay West, my latest listing. This large two-bedroom, two-bath suite features over 1,500 square feet, floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic views, large balcony, and a wood-burning fireplace. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or a vibrant urban lifestyle, Harbour Terrace offers the best of both worlds.